The Humvee begins as a mission-ready design built for extreme conditions.
The Humvee's backbone is built from hardened steel.
Every part is engineered for strength, mobility, and survival.
Before construction, performance is tested virtually.
Precision welding ensures battlefield durability.
The foundation of the Humvee is complete.
Every component meets military specifications.
Each engine is tested before installation.
Power begins with a heavy-duty diesel engine.
The Humvee's drivetrain is built for all terrain.
Power must travel efficiently to all wheels.
Suspension absorbs extreme battlefield conditions. The Humvee is designed to go anywhere.
Armor protects soldiers in hostile zones.
Protection is a top priority. Each layer is applied for durability. Military-grade coating begins.
Communication systems are installed.
Inside, functionality comes first.
Lighting, brakes, and controls tested. Indicators flash green. Every system is verified.
Final components complete the build.
Electronic systems are carefully calibrated.
Every Humvee faces extreme testing.
The vehicle takes its final form.
Built to survive harsh environments.
Final inspections ensure military readiness.
The Humvee is approved for service.
Built for strength. Built for duty. Ready for deployment.
Power meets purpose.
Control in every situation.
Designed for any mission. Strength meets precision. Engineered to conquer terrain. A symbol of power and reliability. Every part serves a purpose.
Built by hands, trusted in battle.
This is how an American Humvee is made.